Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a package. It's a very special package today. I ordered this Charlie Bear. It's my first Charlie Bear I've ever owned. So I do not know what it's going to look like or anything, but I can't wait to share it with you guys. So let's get started and open him up. Ooh, I like this box. So, let's see. Ooh. So it comes with that. Oh my goodness. How to care for your bear. Teddy bear's picnic. So it comes with a recipe card. Homie, I'm yours. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at him. Oh. So this is Eccles. And he is, let's see, it doesn't say, it doesn't like say what his personality is like, but this is Eccles. He has some weight to him. Oh, he's so cute. His fur is like so real. Like this feels like real animal fur, but they don't use real animal fur, but they do use Mo fur. And he comes with this little heart keychain necklace. And then here's got this furry collar. And these bears are actually jointed. Look at the detail on his fur. He's got so many colors. Oh my goodness. And he can sit because he's jointed. Oh, look at the baby. Look at his little face. He's adorable. So this is my first Charlie Bear that I have ever owned. And I'm so happy to have him. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Welcome, Eccles, to the family. And if you don't know about these bears, they're from the UK. So you can't get them here in the US. And they are handmade. So every bear is different. They have the airbrushing. And they use Mo fur. And sometimes they use alpaca fur for the fur. So it's so nice. Oh my gosh. Guys, I wish you could feel this. He was so cute. Yay! So I just wanted to show you guys my first Charlie Bear that I ever got. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. And if you're new here, please feel free to hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up button for more videos like these. Bye!